Hello friends, welcome to LalitaProjects. Do you want to start your own packaged drinking water plant?
If yes, then watch this full video. In this video, I am sharing step-by-step process of starting packaged drinking water plant in India. Now let's go. At first, type of water treatment plants. Number 1, manual water treatment plant. Number 2, semi-automatic water treatment plant. Number 3, automatic water treatment plant. And number 4, fully automatic water treatment plant. What are the requirements for packaged drinking water projects? Number 1, land and building for manual or semi-automatic, and for automatic or fully automatic. Number 2, paper and documents.
BIS official expenses.
Profit margin calculation. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for more updates. If any inquiry, comment us.